You want to see the dog skateboard?
Nope.
Move. So we're riding. Here, you hold on to it on video. Don't let her go inside now. Close that door, shut it. Okay, so now
I'll pick her
we're
up.
gonna flip her around
I got it.
like so. And my sister's gonna be the pusher.
We're gonna
Let go, let go. Good girl.
Now we're going to switch her around. No,
Flip her around.
Can you switch her around? Nana?
Just like slide her.
Okay. I can't do
Here,
it.
hold the camera. Right on her.
This is my little dog, Precious.
I want you to stand up. Stand up.
Wait, I got it.
Okay, let her sit down. Yeah, I want you to make it go. Let go. And now she's not afraid of this thing. I'll just push her back. Yeah, push her back.
Nana.